Hello! Are you ready for episode 5? Don't worry, today is going to be very easy and very fun. If you are just starting your English journey, this is for you. We are going to practice simple life English. No big words, just real talk. Take a deep breath. Let's start with something we all love. Food. Imagine you are at home and you are hungry. Say these simple sentences with me. What's for dinner today? What's for dinner today? I am so hungry I could eat anything. I am so hungry I could eat anything. This smells delicious. This smells delicious. Can you please pass me a glass of water? Can you please pass me a glass of water? Ha ha ha, good job. See? You are already speaking English. Now let's talk about your feelings. It's okay to say how you feel. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. I feel a little bit tired, but I am okay. I feel a little bit tired, but I am okay. I am so excited about our next trip. I am so excited about our next trip. Everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine. Now, imagine you are meeting a new friend. Keep your voice friendly and soft. Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name? Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name? It's really nice to meet you. It's really nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I hope we can be good friends. I hope we can be good friends. Let's talk about things we do every day. Simple actions. I need to go to the market now. I need to go to the market now. Can you help me with this, please? Can you help me with this, please? I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? You are doing amazing. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking. If you are tired, take a small breath. Now imagine you are shopping. How much is this shirt? How much is this shirt? Do you have a different color? Do you have a different color? I like this one very much. I like this one very much. Actually, can I try this on? Actually, can I try this on? Where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, have a nice day. Let's talk about simple plans for the future. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? I am going to visit my parents. I am going to visit my parents. I think I will go to the park later. I think I will go to the park later. Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? Now imagine you are lost and need help. Keep it simple. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the bus station. I am looking for the bus station. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Ha ha ha, see how easy that was? Your confidence is growing. I can feel it. Let's slow it down for a second. Sometimes we need to talk about our health. Just simple words to explain how we feel. I think I'm catching a cold. I think I'm catching a cold. I need to drink more water today. I need to drink more water today. Do you know a good doctor around here? Do you know a good doctor around here? I'm feeling much better now, thank you. I'm feeling much better now, thank you. Now let's talk about what we do for fun. Hobbies make life interesting. I really enjoy listening to music in the evening. I really enjoy listening to music in the evening. Do you like watching movies at the cinema? Do you like watching movies at the cinema? Love spending time with my family on Sundays. I love spending time with my family on Sundays. What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? You are doing a great job. I can see you smiling. That is the best way to learn. Let's practice some very positive thoughts now. Stand tall. Feel the energy. Today is a great day to learn something new. Today is a great day to learn something new. I can speak English with confidence. I can speak English with confidence. Every mistake is a step forward. Every mistake is a step forward. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Look at how far you've come. Your voice is clear, your tone is natural, and you are not giving up. That is what a champion looks like. Let's talk about something interesting for a moment. Have you ever wondered why we enjoy learning new things? Whether it's a new language, a recipe, or a skill, it makes our brain feel alive. Sometimes it feels hard at the beginning. We make mistakes, and we feel a bit shy. But that's the beauty of it. Every time you struggle with a word, your brain is getting stronger. Don't be afraid to sound funny or different. That is how we grow. So, what's the next thing you want to learn? For me, I love learning about different cultures. It reminds me that even though we live far apart, we are all connected through language. Just like we are connected right now. I'm getting a bit deep, aren't I? But it's true. You are doing something amazing today. You are building a bridge to the rest of the world. And with that, we have come to the end of episode 5. You were incredible. Seriously, your dedication is so inspiring. Take a moment to give yourself a big pat on the back. You earned it. If you found this simple shadowing session helpful, please don't forget to like the video. It tells me that you want more content like this. And if you haven't joined our family yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We are in this together, and I want to see you in the next session. Leave a comment below and let me know. What is the one thing you want to learn next? I can't wait to read your answers. Thank you for your time, your hard work, and your energy. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you very soon in episode 6. Goodbye.